supposedly there were two female agents of the NBI who tried to hand it to him, but he walked away and fled.
Ang sabi
That
ni
will-
Matibag, hinawi niya silang dalawa and he fled. And
Yun
then
nga po
nakita
yung-
na natin yung CCTV of what happened after.
Yun nga po yung sabi, no? Lots of different versions of the story. But so we would like to defer to the panel for that. Mabibigyan din naman po tayo ng sagot.
Kasi
Event-
I'm asking because sinasabi ng side ni Senator Bato, his legal counsels, na wala namang pinapakitang warrant sa kanya. So there was really no attempt to serve it on him.
Actually, what was shown on that day was just a copy of the ICC arrest warrant that former Senator Antonio Trillanes had. But we don't know if the NBI was actually holding a valid arrest warrant that would be served against Senator Bato.
So these are precisely the issues that the panel will figure out. No? The facts that we have to determine. We'll find out soon.
Kasama po doon si former Senator Trillanes because people are also asking bakit siya yung andoon and appeared to, at least to the public, siya yung unang nagpakita ng warrant.
And why the NBI allowed him to be there if he does not hold any position in government actually or as a law enforcement agent. Could the DOJ, could the NBI have erred in that regard?
I think, Ms. Says, the fact that the NBI allowed Senator Trillanes, I mean, that's a conclusion of fact we have yet to determine too. And marami kasing sides ang sinasabi, anyone could see anything. But we'll figure out the truth, which of these facts being stated is the truth. We'll ferret that out soon enough. I want
Sana,
to
Attorney
defer-
Polo, may malinaw na timeline. You know, this is where, when the facts are unclear, this is where all the propaganda can come in. And so we just want to be crystal clear also about what really happened. Because if we cannot really dispute what one side is trying to put out as propaganda, we want the facts.
And I guess, Attorney, help us understand the process. Wouldn't the NBI need to seek coordination with the DOJ before supposedly serving and forcing an arrest warrant?
There was coordination. I think that one thing is clear. There was coordination.
On that day, Attorney, Monday?
Yes, there was. As to the specifics or the details of that coordination, even I would not be privy to that, no? But that is clear. There was coordination.
There was coordination to serve an arrest warrant for Senator Bato because there were rumors na siya nga po ay may planong umattend ng Senate session on that day. Tama po ba?
No. I think even yung pag-serve, ano ba yung purpose, di ba? Yun yung tanong eh.
Yes.
We know there's coordination. What was the purpose of that coordination between the NBI and DOJ? Was it to serve the warrant? Hindi, I can't give a categorical answer to that yet because the coordination naganap is that NBI will be proceeding to the Senate. As to the specifics of the details, again, we'll have to wait. Okay, well, we will issue a pronouncement on this soon enough.